This is the video tutorial for how to analyze your data using the RePAIR online tool. To analyze your data, click on the Analysis tab or the related icon. For analyses without prior parameters, upload the parameters file previously saved from the Prior tab. Enter the summary statistics values for each of the groups of your current experiment. By clicking through the tabs, the analyses without prior information, leave one out sensitivity and sensitivity on indices, are reported. For analyses without prior information, do not upload any file and only add the values of the current experiment. This time, only the analysis no prior is conducted. Visually, check whether your zero value is, or not, within the 95% confidence interval. Numerically, the confidence interval is provided. All plots can be saved for future reference or publication.